Yo, what's up guys? So today we are here at Crocodile Pools Resort with Cell City for the official S26 Ultra launch in Botswana, right? So obviously I'm gonna take you out through my days. Basically, spend a day with me. Spend a day with a tech content creator, you know. Wait a cane. But yeah, we are here and let's get it going. So yep, we got what the fuck was that? That scared me. Yep, so here we got the S26 Ultra already on my gimbal, and we're just gonna see how to, get some shots on it. Obviously we're still going to actually go and see the actual release, so we're going into the conference room. But then we'll obviously go into the lake, get some nice shots with this, see how everything goes.
Never before seen on a smartphone. Introducing new Galaxy S26 Ultra.
Okay, so now we are actually going to the actual boat, and I'm gonna obviously test out the cameras, when it comes to the pictures, videos, whatever. Let me actually just try to take a video right now as I'm walking. First off, with the back camera, just to give y'all's, this is how it looks, right? So I'm currently recording with the back camera of the S26 Ultra. This is how it looks. This is the camera quality, stabilization. I'm walking, I'm not using a gimbal, just, freehanding the stuff. But yeah, so we are strapped up right now and we're going to go into the water and of course, use the S26 Ultra. So this video was shot on the Samsung S26 Ultra, right? Just using the normal main camera lens 1x. And then of course I also want to test out the zoom capabilities while it's on video mode. So I took this video with, birds flying, and it can actually zoom all the way up to 25x on video mode. So this is just me zooming in until those birds actually land on the water at a whopping 25x. I also took some pictures, first off being this one on 1x on the main camera lens. And then we zoomed in to 2x. This is how it looks when it's zoomed in. And then of course 3x. And then the next one being 5x, next up being 10x, next up being a whopping 30x, and then of course lastly the ultimate 100x, right in that beautiful woman's face. Now the rest of the boat cruise was pretty wonderful, man. We got to see a lot of scenery, just going on the boat cruise, having fun with the S26 Ultras, trying AI pictures. I even took pictures of myself, as you can see right there, and that's how it actually looks on the picture of the S26 Ultra. We went all the way deep until we actually got to see some crocs, actually, right? So even some crocodiles. Of course we couldn't get too close, so there's a zoomed in picture, I think at 30x of the crocodiles, because again, we're just here for fun, not here to get turned up, right? But once again, we had an absolutely amazing time, man. Okay, even the boat ride back, just the scenery and just being outside was just so refreshing. So it was a good time all in all. We are here with the one and only Rezi. No, for sure. Yeah, boy. Well, and that is a wrap, guys. It's been a wonderful day. We were here with Cell City, the S26 Ultra, absolutely amazing phone. Even just the boat cruise, that was my favorite part, especially when you saw the crocodiles. But it's been a great day. If you enjoyed the video, please like to the channel, subscribe. See you guys probably next week. We're gonna be way more, active again on YouTube, and ciao.